Baby, get up. Check out these lines on your face. Hey, get up. It's snowing. I mean, it's snow. Heidi. Hey, woman, get up. Okay, kids, it is now Monday morning, and we're going to step out here into our little winter wonderland. Heidi, what's on your feet?
Well, you see, this is the poor man's snow boots.
The what?
The poor man's snow boots.
Oh, yeah.
Keeps your feet dry. And your pants, since I always step on mine.
Pretty snazzy dazzy. Yeah, you definitely have to have some of these poor man's snow boots. They're great.
It's so fluffy.
This isn't the kind of snow you guys get up in Canada. You guys have like 20 feet of the stuff every day. But look, here in Tennessee, we hardly ever get snow. And when we do, people freak out. Heidi wanted me to inform you that if you do make yourself a pair of these poor man's snow boots, to be very careful, because she says they can tear very easily. Right, Heidi?
That's right.
Man, those things are so nice. I bet we could sell those boogers. Yeah, that didn't work. All right, carry on. I think I messed something up when I fell in this pocket. It's very important to have food in case you get trapped and you need to eat. So I put some bananas in my pocket. Yeah, and these ones are kind of really ripe. And so...
You were gonna make me eat that?
Yeah. Well, look on the bright side. You don't have to eat it now.
No mail from the postman today.
Where's your bear spray?
At home.
Oh. In the bushes. Heidi heard something. Yeah. Since we're in the wild here. She refuses to walk on the dry spot here because she says it's too wet.
But see, this way I get exercise.
Uh-huh.
Tone my thighs,
Uh-huh.
my buttocks,
Yeah.
my calf.
All right, that's great. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to walk on this dry spot here. So here's the main drag right across the street from Chili's. So that guy was honking. Woo! All right. You know what's pretty cool is I think I see the largest snowplow in the history of snow plowing. Check this guy out. Look here, let me zoom in. Largest snowplow in history.
It sure is.
Oh yeah, that guy right. Dude, put down your plow thingy. I tell you, these snow plowers nowadays, you can't get them to do anything. There we go. Woohoo! Rock and roll! Woo! Come on, gotta do something cool. Woo! Heidi, do a snow angel right there. This is gonna be epic snow angel. Oh boy, I thought you were gonna do it. What are you doing? Come on.
Warming up.
Warming up.
Oh, it's
Epic snow angel, people.
wet.
Check this out.
Cold.
Epic.
Wet.
Cold.
It's cold.
It's wet. That's what. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, that's good, babe. Hop up. Let's see what you got. Let me help you.
I think my butt's really wet.
Oh no, Heidi. We're having technical difficulty, people. Okay, let's see if it worked. I think so. A little bit. Oh, look at this sign here. That's pretty funny. It says, "How's your gas?" My gas is working pretty good, thank you.
Woo! Yeah, I don't think I'm getting in that.
I'm doing donuts. In Soviet Russia, we do donuts with shopping carts. Woohoo! Okay, that's all I got. All right, you guys, we're on our way home again on the same trail we took you yesterday. Now, after the blizzard, we want to show you our special couch. Here's the couch that so many of you have fallen in love with. And I just want to point out that, I mean, this is a really cool couch. If any of you guys decide to come and visit Heidi and I, we'll be sure to make a nice bed for you on that couch. So come on and visit, please do. Ow! Ow. Take that, Heidi. That's pretty good.
What did you say?
I said it's pretty good. Heidi, just take that snow there and smack it into your face.
I really don't want
Just
to.
do it. Do it for the people. The people demand it.
For the people.
For the people. Do it. Jeez. That's great.
Oh, brain freeze.
Brain freeze. That's great. I was really wanting to use the swimming pool today, but I don't have my pool pass. Oh man, I was really wanting to hop in there today. It's our Volkswagen Jetta right there, and we're not going anywhere. Alright guys, that's the end of this here video. I want to thank you for watching the show, and until next time, peace out.